20 years ago, we took a breath, stepped off the edge. No fear, no stress, just open water, open mind. A whole new world we soon define. From nervous starts to confident strides, first giant steps, masks pushed aside. We built a family one dive at a time, chasing bubbles, crossing lines. From classrooms to the open sea, every dive writes history. This is Oyster Diving, 20 years strong, where strangers meet and don't stay strangers long. From weightless kids at 8 years old to stories deep in legends told, adventure calling, hearts alive. 70% of Earth and still we dive. Come in the blue, adrenaline high. This is the life. We don't just dive, we fly. Awards on the wall, pride in our name. UK's best, yeah, we earned that flame. But trophies fade, what truly stays are the people met along the way. Red Sea sun and Malta stone, Maldives reefs we now call home. Philippines dawns, Galapagos tides, so coral currents that test your drive. Every passport stands with trust, every descent, because we must. This is Oyster Diving, 20 years deep, where promises made are the ones we keep. There's no wretch in every breath, tranquility found beyond the depth. Muscle movement, calm and thrill, a racing heart, then time stands still. Below the noise, below the grind, you find the ocean, and you find your mind. It's not just sport, it's a state of mind. Adrenaline, exercise, peace combined. A silent world where worries fall, where gravity loosens its hold on us all. Most will never see this place, but we invite them face to face. So here's to Oyster Diving.